Octopi is a beverage co-packer. We produce products for other people, mainly in the beverage space, mainly in canned products. That's our specialty. Started with just 16,000 square feet and 6 employees, including myself. And now we have over 545,000 square feet and over 200 full-time employees working in Octopi. So it's been incredible growth beyond what I ever dreamed of. NORD's been a great partner for us since day one. Like, our first equipment that we brought from Germany was our first brew house, and that had 2 very large NORD gears that being the backbone of our brewing system, and they're incredibly reliable. You know, we had only to replace them once in 7 years. We're lucky that NORD is like across the street, so anytime we had an issue, like, we've literally walked across and been able to get a solution pretty fast. But they're just reliable piece of equipment that, if you maintain it properly, can last a very, very long time. We have a couple main gears on our brewing system specifically. Both of them basically are in rotating vessels that have mixers inside, and the NORD gears are able to rotate very, very large piece of equipment inside that move the grain when we're doing beer. You need something that's consistent, that's going to last forever, that's always going to be exactly the way you want it in the speed and the movement. And like I said, those gears have been nothing but great to work with. We know things are going to happen, you know, breakdowns, etc. We love suppliers that are going to respond. If our supplier doesn't respond, we tend never to work with them again. And when we've had an issue, NORD has been there for us. So we just work with them again. We just upgraded our brewing system last year to a much larger, much beautiful brewing system that's increasing our brewing capacity by 5x. And those main components are also 2 big NORD gear components to help us brew more beer. I think the best features about NORD are, of course, reliability, consistency, and they're just workhorses. They're going to last a long time with the proper maintenance, and you know they're going to be great machines. Like, the best machines are the ones I don't have to think about, I don't have to worry about. That's what I feel about NORD gear.